So I'm going to show you guys really quick how me and my friends built this scary looking hallway for my short film, The Door Down the Hall. So for the story of the film, the main character Paige is curious to see what secrets are being locked up behind the door down the hall from where she sleeps. Unfortunately, the hallway outside her room I was actually planning on shooting in was not big enough for the part and didn't work with the story properly. So instead I wanted to put my passion for art directing to the test and build the hall exactly the way I wanted. First we found and rented out a large space. This place was an abandoned rehabilitation facility which had somewhat of an empty hall we could work off of. So we took this blank hallway and marked exactly where we wanted the door to be and essentially where the hallway is going to end. We cut out our drywall and screwed it all in. Next, mudded it all together, then sanded it down so it's nice and flush. After that, we nailed in the baseboards around the door, then painted the hallway. We installed 2 wall lamps on each side. We were able to give the lights power because we went up into the ceiling and fished a wire down the wall to the light fixtures from the existing power feed that was already in the ceiling. Then after that, we added the chains and the lock to the door. I just bought those at the store, then spray painted them, scratched them up. Now for what's behind the door, that's actually just a few black sheets with some lights. I figured it would be a cheap and easy way to show something extremely abnormal without having to spend so much money. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope this sparks any ideas for your next films. Thanks for watching.